Nazia Tony, student of National Institute of Design, batch 87. I am excited to participate in the show Design Nova for the first time as a designer. This time our show theme Malai Jaire and I am selected for the design of menswear. Inspired by the vibrant sense of Boishakhi Mela, I made a beautiful dhuti and Punjabi. These dresses are made from silk fabric with embroidery work and block print work. For the design, I used different types of motifs which are based on our Boishakhi culture and tradition. Hope everyone appreciate and enjoy my work. In this video, design development, digital illustration, pattern making, sewing, totally completed by myself. If you like my outfit, please click here and voting.